Hi friends, let me show you these new LED strip lights that I received for reviewing purposes. These are two 50-feet rolls each, so you get 100 feet in total, and you get also the connector for electricity for them. This unit that will help you connect both strips to the light, and a remote control. Of course, you can set it up and use it with the remote to get different lights, colors and temperatures, but let me tell you, you get this user manual because you can connect these lights to your Alexa or Google Assistant. So you can basically control everything with your voice. We are going to do it and show you how it looks. If you wanna have some fun or a nice place in your home or office where you want to have lights like this, colorful and different tones or temperatures, these light strips are great, and you can control them, everything with the Alexa app and the Google Assistant app. Let's do it.
Okay, so as you can see, the LEDs are on. I'm actually going to turn off the light so you can look at it better. They are very, very bright, and I've already configured in the application to the Alexa, so I can just say, Alexa, turn off LED.
Muy bien.
And it turns on, off, sorry. Alexa, turn on LED.
Muy bien.
Just like that. It's really, really nice to have them. They are really, really long. I actually, gave 2 rounds all of the length of my bookshelf, and it actually have a little bit left, so I could even go further, but I think that it looks really, really nice just as it is. So I would really recommend it. They are really, really nice. I love it. I said this fade motion, but you can change the colors even with the control. Let me show you. Here I've got the control. I can turn them off and turn them on. Change the brightness, set it lower. I'm gonna set it a static color so you can see. I'm gonna set it on the lowest. And I'm gonna set it brighter. So it's really, really nice. You can change the colors, the control, and obviously with the app, I can change it to different modes of music mode. Hi, how are you? As you can see, it responds on a way to my voice. If I change it, it will respond a little bit different. Let's try the third one. Okay, so you can see it's changing, and like this. This is the last one. It has 4 different music modes, which is really, really nice, and it has this jump mode automatic. As you can see, it stays on a color for a bit and then change. This second jump mode, it's a bit faster. One type of fade, which has 3 colors, red, green, and let's see the last one, blue. And a 7 color fade, which is different, no? Like a gradient kind of fade, which is really, really nice, and I like them a lot. I like the vibes that it gives to my bookshelf, and I would recommend it. So yeah.